Quran shows a precise balance between the spiritual and the material. The spiritual in Islam does not negate the material, and the material does not overwhelm the spiritual. وَابْتَغِ فِي مَا آتَاكَ اللَّهُ الدَّارَ الْآخِرَةَ وَلَا تَنْسَ نَصِيبَكَ مِنَ الدُّنْيَا وَأَحْسِنْ كَمَا أَحْسَنَ اللَّهُ إِلَيْكَ وَلَا تَبْغِ الْفَسَادَ فِي الْأَرْضِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُحِبُّ الْمُفْسِدِينَ. It says, with that wealth which Allah has bestowed on you, seek the home of the hereafter. And do not forget your portion of lawful enjoyment in this world. And do good as Allah has been good to you. And do not seek mischief in the land. Indeed, Allah likes not the mufsidun, those who commit great crimes and sins, oppressors, tyrants, mischief makers, corruptors. There is no conflict between the spiritual and the material. It is a religion in which there is a precise balance between the spiritual and the material. It is a religion in which life is balanced and tranquil, in which what is good is permitted and what is bad is forbidden. Further it says, قُلْ مَنْ حَرَّمَ زِينَةَ اللَّهِ الَّتِي أَخْرَجَ لِعِبَادِهِ وَالطَّيِّبَاتِ مِنَ الرِّزْقِ. Say, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has forbidden the adornment with clothes given by Allah, which He has produced for His slaves, and at-tayyibat, all kinds of halal lawful things of food. قُلْ هِيَ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا فِي الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا خَالِصَةً يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ. Say, they are in the life of this world for those who believe, exclusively for believers on the day of resurrection. The disbelievers will not share them. Likewise, we explain the ayat Islamic laws in detail for people who have knowledge. The Quranic message is eternal for every time and place, because this is the fitrah of Allah, the natural disposition which Allah has instilled in man. فَأَقِمْ وَجْهَكَ لِلدِّينِ حَنِيفًا. So set you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, your face towards the religion of pure Islamic monotheism. فِطْرَةَ اللَّهِ الَّتِي فَطَرَ النَّاسَ عَلَيْهَا لَا تَبْدِيلَ لِخَلْقِ اللَّهِ. Worship none but Allah alone, Allah's fitrah, that is Allah's Islamic monotheism with which He has created mankind. No change let there be in Khalqillah, the religion of Allah, Islamic monotheism, that is the straight religion, but most of men know not. The fitrah of Allah, the natural disposition which Allah has instilled in man, because it is what is suited to human urges and inclinations. It changed the sexual relationship into a contractual relationship, on which is based the institution of the family in its moral and spiritual dimensions. So it satisfies desires, protects lineages, and lays a solid foundation for society. It is the religion of moderation based on the best of options, so that society will be established along parallel lines with no conflicts of class, race, family or position, and where the standard of nobility and human dignity is subject to moral considerations, so it will be the best of human societies.